Where to find the hide apps feature on your OnePlus phone, how to set it up, as well as how to access the apps that you have hidden after setting it up. This is a OnePlus phone with Android 15, Oxygen OS 15. When you're ready to start using the hide apps, or what was once known as hidden apps, go into the quick access of your OnePlus phone and look for the settings toggle, which would be that one at the top right. From here now, you'll go down till you see the security and privacy settings right there. As you enter here, you're going down the list to the very bottom area past all this until you reach special features and you'll see hide apps. As you enter into it for the first time, this is what you're going to see. You'll press get started, and of course you need to set a privacy password first. Keep in mind, once you set a privacy password for either the hide apps, the app lock, or the private safe, you're sharing that same password for all three features. So if you did that one before for the app lock or private safe, you will be using the same one already. So go to settings. Once here, to choose a password, you can go with the 6 digits if you so choose so. However, if you want something different, go right here. And you can choose something that's easy for you, but make sure it's secure. For me, I'll go with the pattern just to give an idea of how this might work. And for a password, I'll just go with that, and you will just have to put in your password twice. Make sure you put a recovery email because some of us forget, and we don't want to forget that password at all. And for the question, just put something that you will remember, no matter which question it is. If I were you, I would write this down or screenshot it. Sometimes it may not let you screenshot, so write it down someplace safe. I'll just put this for now as my question answer. Now that you set up your password, go ahead to get started. And this is the part where you can start accessing your hidden apps. Okay, so you'll see here that it's going to say tap the hide apps icon on the home screen to verify your privacy password to access the hidden apps. Okay, this is one method of doing it, and the other method of doing it is using the dialer app, which I will show you later on. So you have the access the home screen icon, you can have that one there, or the dial pad. The one that's more secure and more hidden would be the dial pad. So go with this one here. And when you select the dial pad, you're now going to have to set up a access code, which is different from the password that you just created. So go to settings, and what you're going to do is start with the pound or the hashtag number pound here. And you're going to put in at least, I'd say 4 at best, digits to here after the pound. So put something secure. For me, I'll just put this here, and then you'll end it with the hashtag. And then once you're done, you'll press done. And it's going to tell you you're all set up. It's going to show you your code. If you got another phone, take a picture of that. If you can screenshot, go for it. But that's your access code, okay? And then you just press done. Now you can add the apps. So every time you come back to the hidden apps, you can add apps. So go to it. And when you're in this part here where you can view all the apps you have all and you have hidden. So when I go here, this is all the apps. So every app here you see is not hidden. The ones that are hidden will be in this category. So let's just say I want to hide away, let's just say Gmail, okay? Just as an example, maybe the internet icon and the messages app. So now that these are turned on, if we go to hidden, you'll see them all here. So now we'll go ahead and access the code. To use your access code, you'll go into the default dialer app, which is the one that comes with your OnePlus phone, the Google one. And you'll go into the keypad and start the access code with the pound and put in that same set of numbers between the pound and then followed by a pound or hashtag. Once you enter that hashtag or that pound symbol, it's going to take you straight into the hidden apps. And from here, you can view them by going into the apps itself, or go ahead and add some more if you want to by going here. And that's how you would go about doing the hidden apps. And one more thing, go to settings from here. You have different ways of accessing it. Access code, you can change that around if you want to, and your privacy password. You can go ahead and input your original privacy password and use other ways to unlock your hidden apps, such as the fingerprint unlock and the face unlock. And if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.